Good morning. Welcome back to another video. It's unboxing time. So these are Upakarma Ayurvedic products. Upakarma Onion Hair Oil, Upakarma Badam Rogan and Upakarma Onion Shampoo. So these products are 100% premium quality products. And the best part of this product is no harm and no chemical added. So first product we have Onion Hair Oil. So this product comes under Ayurvedic product. It has a mixture of black seed oil, argan oil, coconut oil and jojoba oil, which gives your hair complete nourishment. This product has no silicone, no mineral oil and no artificial fragrance. So now we have Upakarma Badam Rogan, sweet almond oil. It helps to soften and nourishes your skin and also recommends for baby massage. And the last product we have Onion Shampoo. So this product helps to nourish your hair roots and also it repairs hair damages caused by heat and chemical treatments. And the best part of this shampoo is it has no artificial color added. That's it for this video. If you guys are new around here, make sure to click that subscribe button. It's free. Like, share, comment and see you guys in the next video. Peace.